fluids in it this morning, but we got the manifold leaking up here, exhaust manifold. I got a few more things to do to it. Smooth things out a bit here, but it's coming. New alternator on it, new battery. .45 in it. Not a big powerhouse, it has about 200 horsepower. 300 pounds of torque, I think it's got. She's a gooder. Oh yeah. Got a little bit of body work to do. We're gonna put a floor in it. Well, that's just metal work. I don't care about that. It's all fun. Then I'll take everything out, take the seat out and everything. Cab corner in it there. I gotta put rocker in it. The bottom of this door's kind of seedy. I'll fix that up. This was fixed before, obviously. On that side there, you can see there's a body seam now. That cab corner, and there's no body seam over here. So when I put all this out, back in, I'm gonna cut all this out. And I'll put it in two pieces, roll that under, roll that up like that, and it'll be a seam through here like it's supposed to be from the factory. It'll be wonderful. I mean, there's some metal over here, but I'll have to come right over to here. Well, it's coming. The other side's a little better. I mean, the firewall, I gotta clean that up a bit. You can see, like, there, little spot there, and over there, I think there was a spot. I mean, it was fixed up years ago, but I can clean all that up and I can fix that. It's no problem. I don't mind doing some metal work. It's easy. Yeah, this cab corner here is pretty good, right? She's a gooder. Same over here. It's all pretty good back in there. I'm gonna put the floors not as bad on this side, but I mean, you know, she's soft. I gotta deal with it. This door here, this door's fine. And nothing wrong with that door. I got a fuel tank coming for it, supposedly. There. And I got a couple of steady bearings I'm gonna put on it. Those ones are pretty much toast. They were cheap, actually, all things considered. So far, this project hasn't really cost me much. I think I'm only into this whole thing for, well, other than the cost of the truck, I think, you know, I'm barely $1,000 into this project, so. Just all labor. And you know what they say, your time's worth nothing. So stay tuned for future updates of Harvey. More to come.